Alright, so you start with your what'll end up being your middle fabric, which is some felt. Your face page here goes down next, and then what'll be your back, and you start with them both face up. And I found it quicker to start here. I'm stuck using elastics that I cut in half. They seem to work out. They're just not as comfortable as the fabric ones, but everyone has run to the store and bought out pretty much everything. These little clips are handy, little things. Hold the stuff in place so you don't sew your fingers up. Keep my meaty paws out of there. And then you're ready to sew all the edges except for one. Leave an opening so you can turn it inside out. Pull the bands out. Ready to roll. All right. And again, these bands are kind of a pain because they're not sitting flat under there. They're pulling my fabric out of line over here. You probably notice I double stitch the corners so they don't pull apart. A little extra beef to it. Gotta stop and grab that other end of the elastic, get it situated here. You see when I do, it's pulling the fabric up.
Guessing this would have been easier on a nice firm table and
I was just going to say that. So that's the side I'm leaving open, right? Before you turn inside out, you trim the corners so they turn out better. Whoop. Turn it inside out. You're just flattening out the edges, and this one seam you have to sew up, close it up. It just helps it lay flat for sewing. I don't think anyone's going to be grading us on our pleats and our masks that are hopefully helping people stay alive. Back up and sew this one side shut. It's not a filter, it's just a piece of flannel. That's what they suggested to use. And then, you know, obviously as you breathe through it during the day, it can get moist, it could trap bacteria, normal bacteria anyways. So they say you can put them in a baggie, plastic bag in your microwave for 15 or 20 seconds every day, once a day, and it'll re-sterilize it. Your plan of attack.